Manipurgi lam saruki chada humfutara maridi umang oibana nature amadi biodiversity ngaktuna thamnabagi-damak miyamga punna hotnaminaba changi haina Principal Chief Conservator Forest ki thausu puriba Head of Forest Anurag Bajpai na fongdokre wafam asi Manipur Biodiversity Board na Foundation of Ecological Security FES through Indo-German Bilateral Cooperation Project GIS Nirak Manipur ga khutsam naduna revision of the Manipur State Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan 2002 gi stakeholder consultation workshop ta fongdokhibane Imphal gi Sanjan Thongda laiba Forest Headquarter ki conference hall da pangthokhiba thauram aduda Anurag na Manipur gi umang gi saruk asidagi lamdam sida seasonariba raw material pumnamak laklibane umangda aikhoina tangjabana maram oiraga pumnamakna umangi damak hotnaminaba mathautai haike thauram aduda Conservator of Forest Western Circle Gaithaulu Thaimai GIS GmbH ki advisor Dr. Saikhom Inautomba Ecological Security Team amadi atai stakeholder singsu sarukyaki.
There are 13 activities which we have identified which can be promoted in forest without disturbing the forest, without creating an infrastructure there. It is just a management. Then service sector. So it is not biodiversity per se. It is the natural resource which is available with us. Directly or indirectly, it can support the state, it can support the people, it can support the livelihood, it can support the economic growth and contribute to the GDP of the state. We should not forget the ultimate aim, that is the economic growth contribution to GDP, and at the top of it, the livelihood of the people.